Have you ever wondered why some people seem to pick up new skills or understand complex ideas almost effortlessly, as if learning is second nature to them? It's like they have a secret formula for mastering anything they set their minds to. Well, let me introduce you to the Feynman technique, the not-so-secret weapon behind the legendary physicist Richard Feynman's reputation for genius-level understanding. Feynman wasn't just a Nobel Prize winner. He was famous for making the most complicated topics seem simple and fun. The best part? This method isn't just for scientists or geniuses. Anyone can use it to supercharge their learning, whether you're tackling a tough subject in school, picking up a new hobby, or trying to understand something at work. So what exactly is the Feynman technique, and why does it work so well? At its core, it's almost ridiculously simple. So simple, in fact, that you might wonder how it could be so powerful. The main idea is to pretend you're teaching a concept to someone else, ideally to a 5-year-old child who's never heard of it before. Why a child? Because if you can break something down so even a kid can understand it, you know you've truly grasped the heart of the idea. It forces you to get rid of all the fluff and jargon. Let's break down the Feynman technique into 4 simple steps so you can start using it right away. Step 1. Pick a topic you want to learn. It could be anything: quantum mechanics, the basics of photography, how a bicycle works, or even why the sky is blue. The key is to choose something you're genuinely curious about. Step 2. Grab a blank sheet of paper and write the topic at the very top. This is your canvas for understanding. Now start explaining the topic as simply as possible, as if you're telling a story to someone who has no background in it. Avoid technical terms and fancy words. Use plain, everyday language. Imagine you're talking to a friend who's never heard of the topic before. Here's where things get interesting and where real learning happens. Step 3. As you write your explanation, you'll probably hit spots where you get stuck, hesitate, or realize your explanation doesn't quite make sense. That's actually a good thing. It means you found a gap in your understanding. These moments are gold. They show you exactly where you need to dig deeper and clarify your thinking. Go back to your resources, books, videos, articles, or even asking someone else, and fill in those gaps. Don't just gloss over them. Take the time to really understand what you're missing. Then try explaining the concept again, this time with your new understanding. Each time you do this, your explanation will get clearer and more accurate. Step 4 is all about refinement and making your explanation as clear as possible. Read your explanation out loud. Does it make sense? Could a friend, your grandma, or even a child follow along without getting lost? If not, go back and simplify it even more. Don't be afraid to erase, rewrite, or use even simpler words. The goal is clarity, not complexity. Use analogies, draw simple diagrams, or come up with real-life examples. Whatever helps make the idea crystal clear in your mind and for anyone you might teach. The real magic of the Feynman technique isn't just about passing exams or memorizing facts for a test. It's about transforming surface-level knowledge into deep, lasting understanding that you can actually use in real life. When you teach, you're forced to confront what you don't know, and that's where the biggest breakthroughs happen. Those aha moments are signs of real progress. By questioning yourself and reflecting on your explanations, you're constantly improving and deepening your knowledge. And that's where real growth happens. The best part? This technique is flexible and can be used for anything you want to learn. Whether it's math, coding, history, learning a new language, or even cooking a new recipe, the Feynman technique is like a cheat code for lifelong learning and mastery. It's a tool you can use again and again, no matter your age or experience. The more you use it, the better you'll get at learning anything. So the next time you're stuck on a tricky topic or feel overwhelmed by something new, channel your inner Feynman. Remember, even the greatest minds started with simple questions and built their understanding step by step. Grab a notebook, break things down, and teach it back to yourself or someone else. Don't just memorize, strive to truly understand. Unlock your brain's full potential one simple explanation at a time. Every time you do, you're building a foundation for lifelong learning and confidence. Give the Feynman technique a try and watch your mastery skyrocket. You'll be amazed at how much more you can learn and how much deeper your understanding will become. Thanks for listening, and happy learning. Remember, the journey to genius starts with a single, simple explanation.